Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. An Effort-Tech webcam hinge may become loose over time due to frequent movement, regular use, or wear of internal screws and plastic joints. When the hinge is loose, the webcam cannot hold its position properly and may tilt downward or move unintentionally, affecting video quality during online meetings, classes, or streaming. This is a common mechanical issue and can usually be fixed by tightening internal screws, increasing hinge traction, or applying simple repair technique without replacing the webcam. If a webcam hinge is loose, you can fix it using this method. So you can follow unplugging the webcam, tightened hidden screws. Look carefully at the hinge area. Screws are often hidden under rubber pad or stickers. Gently pull off the rubber cover. Use a small Phillips or screwdriver. Turn the screw clockwise slowly until firm and tightened. It's okay. You can use it above the monitor or laptop. It will work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.